Hello and welcome to another video from TeraByte. This video today is going to be about Office 365 Secure Score. Now you might ask, what is Secure Score? Secure Score is an analytics portal within Office 365. It gives you a better visibility of your security configuration and the security features that you have currently got enabled or disabled, and it just helps you give you a visual inspection of how well you're doing against what you should be doing. So today what we're going to do is we're going to open up a browser. And the URL that you need to go to, or the web address you need to go to, is protection.office.com. And then if you just sign in, and I will just find what my password is, because I can never remember it, and it's in the password manager. And then if you've got two-factor authentication enabled like I have, it'll pop up and ask you to verify, as you've just heard. So prove that. And once you've authenticated, it will open up a portal any second. And this opens up the security and compliance portal. Now, Microsoft always change the Office 365 look and feel of it every now and then, so what you've got might be similar to what you have now, or it may not. So what you've got here is a lot of sections for GDPR, data governance, threat management, data governance, what's recommended for you, and this section here, which is Microsoft Secure Portal. Now I've been playing around with this for our section, as you can see. So you got a baseline here, and then it goes up, and then it goes down, up and down, and everything else. And as you can see, you've got identity, data, device, applications, and infrastructure. If you don't have any infrastructure running in Office 365 or Azure, then that's really not really appropriate, but if you have, then you can actually enable that. So to get into Secure Score, just click on this link here, which says Microsoft Secure Score. Click on that. Wait a few seconds. It can take a while sometimes. And then what you got here is your overall screen of where you are and what you need to do. So it's quite easy. You can drill down saying what's not been completed or what's not been checked off, what has been, what's been resolved through third-party applications, and what's been ignored. So if it's the first time you come in, just go to Improvement Actions. This will list all the actions that you need to do to actually improve your score. Again, wait a second or two, and then you can just scroll down the list and either start from the top, go right down to the bottom. What you will notice is that some items aren't scored, so you can enable them, but it won't actually help your score for the actual Microsoft Secure Score. So what you can do is just click on one option here, like store user documents in OneDrive for Business, and as you can see, it gives you a description, gives you the category, the user impact is low, complexity is low, what it protects you against, and how it will actually affect your users. And then it actually gives you some compliance controls as well. So if you're working towards ISO 27001 or HIPAA, something like that, you can actually see what controls you're working against. And then if you need to enable it, as you can see here, it's actually been completed, but if you need to enable it, you can click on View Settings. And what it'll do is I'll actually open it up to where you are within OneDrive for this instance, and you can go through and deploy it. If we go and select one that hasn't been done, I don't know, review mailbox access by non-weekly by non-owners bi-weekly. Easy for me to say. As you can see, it gives you 0 out of 5 points at the moment because it hasn't been actioned. It's not been completed. It just is here. Regularly reviewing mailbox access by non-owners can help you discover malicious activity. So it's best practice to go and review who's actually got access to what mailboxes. And then you can just say click on review. Wait a few seconds. wait some more seconds. And then you can go in here and actually do a search from whichever any criteria you like, from 22nd of September to the 7th of October it is today. You can click on here, select your mailboxes that you want, search by access, hit search, and it'll actually give you a list of who's got access to what. And all you have to do is just go through, and pretty much you don't have to complete all of these, but it's ideal to do as much as you can, and then it'll actually wait 24 hours or a little bit more, come back to this screen here again and see if your points gone up or down. And that is pretty much it. I hope you find this video interesting. If you do, click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get more updated information for when we release videos. And yeah, if you've got any questions, stick it in the comments. And yeah, that is it. Thanks.